Good morning. It is Saturday, January the 10th, and we are on our way into work, of all things, which is a good thing. Putting in some extra hours, trying to get some things done, and I wanted to make my first attempt at doing a vlog in hopes that what we can do is include you, the watchers of this video, to understand a little bit about the brand and pull the curtain back to some degree and maybe give a little backstory as to why we're doing things. We feel as though Clear Vue, there's a higher purpose to that, and it may sound funny to include that into a manufacturing process, but I think there's a lot of things with Clear Vue as far as a manufacturer that are going to elicit certain responses out of us. And we believe, and my background is that one of my gifts, one of my purposes is to work in manufacturing, and I understand the process very well, and to figure things out and engage with customers and work on product and business development and enriching the lives of those people that are involved with it, not only from a customer base, but the folks that are integrated into our company. So I hope you're patient with me. This is not a scripted thing. This is just me speaking from the heart as we get into this journey, start the new year. And I hope that you'll glean something out of this. We definitely are very proud of the fact that one of our underlying themes here for the company is we want to bring back American manufacturing, which is not an uncommon theme these days. So we're hitching our cart to that horse as well. Not that it's I don't think it's a flash in the pan, or I don't think it's being said in a fashion where it lacks credibility. I think everybody realizes that what's happened over the last 2 to 3 decades is reflective of a different culture with where we need to be, and we feel that Clear Vue has something to offer relative to that as well. My background in manufacturing, 30 plus years, is that I've been part of the issue with sourcing overseas. So I'll say I was part of the problem back in the 90s, and now we're at a point where I want to kind of rectify some of the transgressions that have gone on prior to us. Clear Vue for us is just one small step relative to where we're going as a brand, and we have great plans for Clear Vue, so we hope you join us in that journey. It's going to be fun, again, unscripted. Not sure all the appointments and stops that we're going to make along the way, but if anything's shown us over the last 3 months of bringing the brand back online, it's that it's not without its challenges. And if anybody thinks that being an entrepreneur is a quick and easy thing, I think you're going to hear from us or get the real view that it's not for the faint of heart. There are days where you question the sanctity of your intelligence level and things that you're doing related to it. So I clearly fit that billing. So, but I appreciate you sticking with me through my first vlog. Sometimes I have a little bit of a speech impediment that comes out, so hopefully that's not too big of an annoyance. But again, it's not scripted, so I'm just giving you the genuine look at who I am and how additionally that plays into the culture that we're trying to build. That's going to be Clear Vue Cyclones. And I hope you join us in this journey. I appreciate it. Thank you.